Memorable marketing. M&M. Memorable marketing. What is it? It is focused on helping you raise your visibility, helping you to become more memorable, helping your business to become more memorable so that you will grow your influence, that you would attract those who really need your service or product, and those that, will resonates with you and you would enjoy working with and serving. So welcome to Memorable Connections. This is the name of our website. And on that site, you can find different resources that you can tap into. And it's all about expanding your connections, building relationships, developing your personal strengths, as well as your professional tools and influence. And also, I am going to be hosting a series of memorable marketing webinars starting in March. It's a series totally focused on raising your visibility, starting with something very simple. Like the very first meeting is going to be on how you can build your profile to be more magnetic, to attract those that you would enjoy serving. So anyway, don't miss that. Mark your calendars on Fridays, starting March 3rd, March 10th, and March 17th. It's going to be at noon, and I have a private link to share with you. It's a private platform. When you sign up, then you'll get also access to the replays and then updates for the following meetings that are happening in March. So be sure to sign up below, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday.